Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump a Kia Forte. Park both cars close, engage parking brakes, turn ignitions off, and set both cars to neutral or park before you begin. Connect red clamp to dead battery positive terminal, then to good battery positive, then black clamp to good battery negative, and finally to unpainted metal on the broken car away from the battery. Start the working car, wait a few minutes, then start the Forte. Before you begin, inspect both batteries for leaks, cracks, or swelling, and keep a fire extinguisher handy. If the dead battery shows severe corrosion, clean terminals with a wire brush and baking soda solution before connecting clamps. If the car still will not start after several attempts, avoid repeated attempts longer than a few seconds, wait a minute between tries, and consider calling roadside assistance or replacing the battery to prevent damage to the electrical system. After a successful start, keep the Kia Forte running for at least 15 minutes or drive it to recharge the battery before turning it off. Disconnect clamps in reverse order, starting with black from the grounded metal, then black from the good battery, then red from the good battery, and finally red from the Forte. Monitor the car for dimming lights, slow cranking, or warning lights, and test the battery at a shop if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.